Hey everyone, this is thenextarcher, and here is another unboxing for you guys. This one is very exciting. So, of course it's a knife, like always. So let's check out what it is. Do you have a guess yet? It is a zero tolerance. And if you can tell by the rubber band, let's see if we can get this off. It's a long rubber band, but it is an automatic. Looks like the rubber band left a little mark on it. That will rub off. Let's see. There we go. It's almost like an axis lock. It's cold though because it was outside. It's really cold. It's aluminum handles with I think G10 on it. Scalloped serrations. Hawk design. I believe, yeah, you push it over and it locks in place, then you do that and you pull down, just like an axis lock auto. It looks like right and left hand tip up carry only. Interesting. Neat design. Like the knife, got for a good price. This would go in my collection of automatic knives, especially since I only own 2 zero tolerance knives at the moment. So, doesn't look like it's really ever been used either. No box, of course. 154 cm blade steel, number 694. See the edge. Seems pretty sharp, but doesn't really matter to me. I can always sharpen them up. I like it. So, there will be more unboxings coming Friday. At least that's when the mail says one big one's going to be here. And then I'll have spring break, and I'll try to make a bunch of videos then. As I've actually ran out of videos just to keep uploading, so. Or my pre-recorded videos. So. One thing I like is the fact that you can actually lock it, and in one motion, kind of doing like this direction, you can unlock it and pull it. But if you lock it, it's not going to go anywhere unless you unlock it. Very neat design. I like it. No blade play, so there you go. And I like those scalloped serrations. Very nice. Well, see you guys later. Have a great day.